Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with QuillBot. QuillBot, located at QuillBot.com, is a powerful paraphrasing and summarizing tool that utilizes AI to rewrite text. It boasts several modes, each serving a distinct purpose, allowing users to refine their writing for clarity, conciseness, or a stylistic makeover. These modes offer different levels of paraphrasing intensity, from minor tweaks to substantial rewrites, giving users fine-grained control over the output. Beyond simple paraphrasing, QuillBot provides features like a grammar checker and a plagiarism detector, ensuring your writing is both polished and original. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to writers of all skill levels, whether you're crafting academic papers, professional emails, or creative content. The platform integrates seamlessly with various applications, making it a versatile tool for any writing workflow. Furthermore, QuillBot offers both free and premium versions, catering to a range of needs and budgets. The premium version unlocks advanced features such as increased word limits and access to all paraphrasing modes, providing a more comprehensive writing assistance experience. QuillBot has become a popular choice for many writers seeking to enhance their writing quality and efficiency. It's a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their writing skills, from students to professionals. By leveraging AI technology, QuillBot empowers writers to articulate their thoughts effectively and produce compelling content. So, whether you're struggling to rephrase a sentence or looking for a comprehensive writing assistant, QuillBot might be the perfect tool for you. Be sure to check out QuillBot.com and explore its various features to see how it can benefit your writing process. This tool is not just a paraphraser, it's a comprehensive writing companion designed to elevate your writing to the next level. From overcoming writer's block to perfecting your final draft, QuillBot offers a range of tools to help you achieve your writing goals.